In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the clown pin in Brawl Stars. To get started, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and search for Mega Pig Brawl Stars. You can also search for Brawl Stars Mega Pig. Now, once you have searched for this, go ahead and filter your search by clicking on the filter button beside the screencast button. Here, go ahead and set the sort by into view count and apply that. Now scroll down and you'll be able to find this video with a huge mega pig text. Click on that video and click on the more on the description box. Now go ahead and click on the link below the claim your free pin to get into the hype of the update, and that will redirect you into the browser. Click on the claim reward button. Now open your Brawl Stars app and click on the claim button to claim that pin on your account. So as you can see in here, I have already claimed the clown pin. Now head over to your profile and click on the plus button under the battle card section. Now head over to the pin section and click on the clown pin to use this as your pin. And that is how you can simply get clown pin on Brawl Stars. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.